Knowledgeable horsemen and pet owners have discovered a veterinarian's secret weapon against health concerns like wounds, fungus, rain rot, scratches, thrush, white line disease, ringworm, dog hotspots, and ear fungus. It's Banixx. Made in the USA, Banixx Wound and Hoof Care kills bacteria and fungus but never irritates or burns the most sensitive tissues. Because Banixx has no color, it will never stain your horse or your pet. Because it's odorless, it doesn't frighten the animal with a foreign scent. Banixx painlessly penetrates into damaged tissue, delivering quick, effective treatment. Banixx is the wound treatment that stops infection in its tracks and helps the healing begin. Banixx is stable with a shelf life of up to 3 years. Even if Banixx freezes, it's effective to use once it thaws. An important part of every horse and pet owner's first aid kit, Banixx is not a steroid. It's not an antibiotic. Affordable and biodegradable, Banixx is ideal for use on breeding mares, foals, and horses in competition. It's also safe for all animals, including show cattle, alpacas, goats, kittens, puppies, exotic birds, and reptiles. See for yourself why veterinarians recommend Banixx Wound and Hoof Care and why Horse Journal named it Product of the Year. Try Banixx today.